Today I'm going to be showing you the May and the June Vegan Cuts box. If you don't know what Vegan Cuts is, it is a subscription type company and you can either get a snack box or a beauty box. I'm going to be showing you the snack box and I'm going to show you the May and the June. I was on vacation, so I didn't get a chance to get the May one done. So I'm just going to put them both together and I will show you those two today. So first up will be the May box and then I will show you the June box. Now you probably can't get the May box anymore, but I want you to see the kind of products that you will be getting. So if you are interested, I have a discount code down below for 25% off your box. And you can stop it whenever you want, but it's really nice. Once a month you get this cool little surprise. And they're not always gluten-free, but they are always vegan, which is really near and dear to my heart. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's start off with every time you get a Vegan Cuts box, you get these little information cards. Now, and it gives you a little bit of information about the product, and then you can get a coupon too. Like this is $1 off of Zaffy Taffy. So that's pretty nice to get $1 off. Now this is a delicious natural way to clean teeth and a healthy smile. Interesting. All right, so it's vegan, it is gluten-free. The after you eat treat for a healthy smile. Okay, so that's interesting. Then we have a chocolate brownie protein bar, and this, if you use this card, if you use this QR code, you can get a free bar. So that is great. And this is Amrita is the name of the company, and it is 15 grams of protein, plant protein. So I think that's great. What else we got? We've got some oat graham crackers, which are great for this summer if you're going to be making some s'mores. And these are also gluten-free. And it's not easy to find vegan gluten-free graham crackers. So I'm really excited about these. These are oat and ginger, 35% less sugar. That's going to be great for my camping trip. Also, we have some vegan. We have some lentil, rice, and cauliflower chips. And these are also, are they gluten-free? Yes, they are gluten-free. Yay! Now, you're not always going to get gluten-free products in their boxes, but if I get stuff that has gluten, I just have my husband eat it or I take it to work, so not a problem. Then these I've had before, they're called Top Seeds. They're seed crackers. This is the sea salt flavor, and these are great to have when you're traveling. I took these with me on the last trip we took, and it was great. They gave us some tea here. What kind of tea is this? Oh, Rubio's tea. Rubio's tea is really great because it has tons of antioxidants in it, and it's caffeine free, and I love Rubio's tea. So if you're looking for a tea that is caffeine free to give you a ton of antioxidants, check out this Rubio's tea here. Then we also have some organic nut butter. This is hazelnut and cacao. Yum. And I believe, okay, yeah, they have a QR code here that you can get 15% off and free shipping. And if you apply for their subscriptions, you get an additional 10% off. So that's also a nice little thing to have. So this is going to be great for my camping trip as well. Then we have some organic sprouted pumpkin seeds. This is Himalayan salt. This whole box is perfect for my camping trip. I'm super excited. We've got some couple of Chum fruit bites. This is strawberry and mango. Kids would love these, your grandkids. And these are pretty clean ingredients, so these are going to be good too. And this one is a superfood smoothie, blueberry beet. It's prebiotic fiber. The company is Noka, and you get 5 grams of plant protein. So this would be something that I think would be great for me to take on a hike and just throw it in my little backpack. And if I started feeling a little low, then I could just have one of these. So that's perfect. All right, so that's it for this box. Just a quick little peek. I'm gonna lay it all out on the table and then I'm gonna video the whole thing so you can kind of see it up close. And I wanna try, before I close out, I wanna try these little Zaffy Taffy. I'm intrigued. They're fairly soft. And are there assorted flavors? This just says healthy smiles. They're fruit flavored. It tastes just like taffy. All right. These are also high in vitamin C. 3 pieces are 60 calories. All right. I'm gonna, like I said, I'll show you the whole spread. Okay, so that was the May box. Now let's show you the June box. All right, here is the June box. It's all neatly packed in here. And let's just start at the beginning here. So you can see everything's packed in here very nicely. They're going to give you some information cards on the products that you have in this box. And sometimes you will get coupons. All right, so we've got some lentil chips here. These are spicy ranch and these are gluten-free, so I'm really happy about that. And for this whole bag, it's 110 calories and there's 6 grams of protein in here. So a nice little snack. This is a cookie dough snack bar. And this is by the company Whoa. 150 calories, 3 grams of protein, gluten-free, plant-based. Not a super high protein, but I think this is better than eating a candy bar for sure. We have some caramel, almonds, sea salt, an energy square. And this one is gluten-free. And it has, 100 milligrams of natural caffeine, plus 10 grams of plant protein. So this will be good for after workout, probably before workout actually at the gym. This is Better Sours, and this is 70 calories, 2 grams of sugar. This is the apricot flavor. So these are like little gummies. So if you have kids or grandkids, these are the kind of snacks you want to be giving them. These are a lot healthier, lower in sugar than, a candy bar, cookies, whatever. We've got some little mini pretzel thins. I know these are not gluten-free because, I lied. And these are gluten-free as well. And I've had these on the plane before and these are really good. So another good little snack. And then, Lenny and Larry's. I'm sure you've seen their cookies before. They have high protein cookies and these are pretzels. 20 grams. Are they gluten-free? Let's see. They are not gluten-free, but my husband will love these. And then, cool. This is some chickpea pasta. So I love this curly pasta. And let's see the macros here. 20 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber. So I love eating this kind of pasta because it is higher in protein and it is higher in fiber. So that's a good one. And then this is a creamer, Nut Pods, and this is a good brand too. This has no sugar in it, and this is great in your coffee or your tea. And this is the classic chocolate flavor. So I'll look forward to putting that in my coffee. All right, then we have a little bar here. This is blueberry vanilla. It's got 5 grams of protein and it is gluten-free, so good news for me. And this is the Buy a Bar, Give a Bar. Blueberry pomegranate, and it's vegan, and is it gluten-free? No, it is not. It contains wheat. So my husband gets this one too. So that's pretty good. I get most of it. He gets a couple of these items, the pretzels and this. Everything else looks like it's gluten-free. So this is just a sample of some of the things that you will get in your box. They're different every time, and it's just kind of fun to, you know, try different products that you normally wouldn't buy, and it's delivered right to your house. Okay, so those were my last 2 boxes from vegancuts. I hope you enjoyed that and got some ideas. And if you want to try it, use the discount code for 25% off. I appreciate you watching to the end here, and if you have any comments, I'd love to hear from you, so just leave those down below. And just remember, on my channel, you're going to find recipes and foods that are not only good for you, they're good for the animals and they're good for the planet. Just remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.